Titchfield High is represented this evening by Romaine Smith, Jamani Parkinson, Quayne Smith, and team captain Alex Anderson. While Manchester High is represented by team captain Matthew Dunkley, Kimarley Ferguson, Antonia Wheatley, and Raheem Dunn. Hello and welcome to the opening match in this best-of-3 quarter-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. In this best-of-3 quarter-final series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice in order to advance to the semi-final round. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Titchfield High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock. So we'll begin Titchfield with biology. Labyrinthitis is an infection affecting which organ of the human body?
The liver.
The liver.
No, the ear or the inner ear. Biology, Manchester High. What is the scientific name for what is often referred to as the ringing of the ears?
Tinnitus.
Tinnitus is correct. International Affairs. A visual for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Saleh Work Zwede. Saleh Work Zwede.
President of Ethiopia. Correct. International Affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Mohammed Shahabuddin.
No, that's Abdallah Hamdok, Sudan's president. English language for Titchfield. Which 8-letter noun starting with G means courageous or ambitious initiative?
Genteel.
No, gumption. English language Manchester. Which 10-letter adjective starting with I means unblemished or faultless in appearance or behavior?
Immaculate.
No, impeccable. Music and audio one for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip. Identify this song, please.
In a different life or where I ain't record. I mean, he was Adam, I think I was Eve. But my vision
Well, Chun-Li.
No, it's Her, H-E-R, by Nicki Minaj. Music from Manchester. Listen to the following clip. Identify the artiste.
I want you to live your life.
Cardi B.
Be careful. Correct. Geography, Titchfield. Which country spans more than half of the western coast of South America?
Brazil.
No, Chile. Geography, Manchester. Which country has the longest coastline in Africa?
Somalia.
Is correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Justine Triet.
No, it's Zoe Perry. Theatre and cinema, Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
He played George, in a Big Bang.
George Brown.
No, Lance Barber. Bible knowledge for Titchfield. According to the Bible, Melchizedek was the king of which place?
Salem.
Correct. Bible knowledge, Manchester. According to the Bible, what was the name of the servant of Abram, who he initially thought would be his heir?
Eliezer.
That's right. Sport, a visual one for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Wilfred Zaha.
No, Mohamed Kudus from West Ham United. Sport from Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Idrissa Gueye.
No, Abdulaj Doucouré from Everton. Chemistry, Titchfield. What kind of bond is found in hydrogen and nitrogen gas molecules?
Covalent bond.
Correct. Chemistry, Manchester. What are the organic compounds consisting of only carbon and hydrogen atoms called?
Hydrocarbons.
That's right. General knowledge for Titchfield. What is the national bird of India?
Bird.
Kiwi.
No, it's the Indian peafowl or peacock. General knowledge, Manchester. The Rufus hornero is the national bird of which country?
Argentina.
Good. Mathematics for Titchfield. What is the value of minus 2403 minus 78?
-247, -2481.
-2481.
That's right, mathematics from Manchester. What is the value of 265 minus -83?
448.
448.
No, it's 348, and that is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The music question from before was Nicki Minaj. Your Love was the name of the song. I think I said her. Okay, let's take a look at the scores. Titchfield High appear to be on 4 points, Manchester High on 6. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.